to use ChatGPT Chatbot for iPhone, let's open Safari and search openai.com. Let's wait for it to load. And since we're new to this, let's sign up. Just use an email address that you want. Wait for the verification code sent in your email so we can verify your account. Just click verify email address. And after that, we can go back to Safari and complete the sign up process. You will be also asked to put your phone number and verify it using a code. After that, you can freely use it and freely ask anything you want to the AI. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.